Hello dear students, welcome back. Today we will be continuing with some more short sums of your textbook of chapter number 5 on page number 205. So here is question number 11. A and B are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3. They admitted C as a new partner. A sacrifices 30% of his share and B sacrifices 20% of his share in favor of C. Here we are given information about old share of old partners, that is 5:3. That means we can write it as A's old share is 5/8 and B's old share is 3/8. And it is also given that A sacrifices 30% of his share. That means we can also write it as 30 upon 100, as it is given that it is 30% of his share. So we can write it as 30 upon 100. And if we simplify it, we can also say that by cancelling out zeros, 3/10. Similarly, for B sacrifices 20% of his share. That means 20 upon 100, again 2 upon 10. That means B is sacrificing 2/10. So out of these available informations, we have to calculate sacrificing ratio and new profit and loss sharing ratio. Now here, in order to find out A's sacrifice, we will apply this formula, that is A's old share multiplied by share of his sacrifice. Why we are using this formula? Because here it is given in question that A sacrifices 30% of his share. Point to be noted, of his share. That means A's share was, according to old ratio, A's share was 5/8. So 5/8, and of this 5/8 he is sacrificing 30%. So we will write here multiply by 5/8 multiply by 3/10. So here we get 15/80. Similarly, with the help of this formula, we will find out B's sacrifice. Here B's sacrifice is B's old share multiplied by share of his sacrifice. So here, according to old ratio, B's old share was 3/8 multiplied by share of his sacrifice, that is 2/10. So here we will get 6/80. So here sacrificing ratio of A and B is 15:6, or we can also say that 5:2. And now as we have got sacrifice share, so we will be able to find out new share by applying the formula old share minus sacrifice. So first, for A's new share, A's old share was 5/8 minus sacrifice 15/80. If we solve it, we will get 35/80. Similarly for B's old share was 3/8 minus 6/80, that is his sacrifice which we just calculated. If we solve it, then we will get 24/80. Now C's new share. C is a new partner. C will be getting whatever is sacrificed by A plus whatever is sacrificed by B. So we have already calculated that what A has sacrificed, that is 15/80, and what B has sacrificed, that is 6/80. So by adding these two, we will get 21/80. That is C's new share. So in this way, A's new share is 35/80 and B's new share is 24 by 80, C's new share is 21 by 80. So in this way, their ratio is 35 is to 24 is to 21. That is new ratio. Now let us do question number 12. X and Y are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2 is to 1. They admitted Z as a new partner. X sacrifices 1 by 15th from his share and Y sacrifices 1/5 of his share in favor of Z. So here we are given information regarding old profit and loss sharing ratio, that is 2 is to 1. Then X sacrifice, that is 1 by 15th, and Y sacrifice, that is 1 by 5. Now as here we have information regarding X sacrifice and Y sacrifice, so here we can now find out new share of X and Y. So here for X, formula is new share equals to old share minus sacrifice, and we have both the informations. So first calculate X new share. X old share was 2 by 3 according to the ratio of 2 is to 1 minus, here we are given information regarding X sacrifice, that is 1 by 15. So minus 1 by 15. If we solve it, we will get 9 by 15. That is X new share. Similarly, we will find Y's new share. Y's old share was, according to this ratio, 1 by 3 minus his sacrifice is 1 by 5. If we solve it by taking LCM, we will get 2 by 15. So Y's new share is 2 by 15. Now Z is new partner. So Z will be getting whatever X has sacrificed plus whatever Y has sacrificed. So here X has sacrificed for Z 1 by 15th share plus Y has sacrificed 1 by 5th share. So if we solve it by taking LCM, we will get 4 by 15. So in this way, new profit and loss sharing ratio of X, Y and Z is 9 is to 2 is to 4. Here I have written 9 is to 2 is to 4. So now let's calculate sacrificing ratio of old partner. As here we are given in the question sacrifice of X as well as sacrifice of Y. So by making denominator equal, that is by multiplying both numerator and denominator by 3, we will get 3 by 15 here. So 1 is to 3 is sacrificing ratio of X and Y. So here we have made denominator equal here, and by making it equal we will get ratio, that is 1 is to 3. Now let us do question number 13. X, Y and Z are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 1. They admitted W as a new partner with 1/6 share. Z will retain his original share in future also. So here we are given these many informations. Old ratio of old partner is given, that is 2 is to 3 is to 1. Then new partner's share is given, that is 1/6. And it is given that Z will retain his original share in future also. That means after admission of W, share of Z will remain 1/6. He might not be sacrificing for new partner, that's why his share will remain the same in future also. See, now here you can see in the question that here sacrificing share or sacrificing ratio is not given. So here it is assumed that the old partner will maintain their relative old ratio even after the admission of a new partner. Relative old ratio means 2:3. Here X and Y are sacrificing and their relative old ratio means 2:3. It means profit share to be given to the new partner will be sacrificed by the old partners in their old ratio only. That is 2:3. So remember, when sacrificing share or sacrificing ratio is not given and the old ratio of old partners and new partners share is given, relative old ratio of old partner will be their sacrificing ratio. So here first we calculate remaining share of X and Y. So here formula is total share minus Z share minus W share. As Z is not sacrificing, his share will be maintained at 1/6 share in future also. And here W is new partner. So in order to find out remaining share of X and Y, total share that we will assume 1 minus Z share is 1/6 plus W share is also given in question, that is also 1/6. So if we solve it, we will get 1 minus 2/6 equals to 1 minus, here by taking LCM, so 6 minus 2, that means 4/6, and if we simplify it, we will get 2/3. So here 2/3 is the remaining share of X and Y. That means X and Y will acquire remaining share 2/3 in their relative ratio of 2:3. As I explained to you just before starting solution. So in this way, for finding out X new share, we will multiply remaining share of profit, that is 2/3, with share in relative old ratio, that is 2:3. According to that, 2/2 plus 3, 5. So here we get 4/15 X new share. Similarly, for Y also, his remaining share is 2/3 multiplied by share in his old ratio, that is 3/5. So here we get 6/15. And Z share will remain unchanged as it is given in question, that is 1/6. And W's new share is given in question, that is to 1/6. So W's new share is also 1/6. Therefore, new profit loss sharing ratio of X, Y, Z and W is 8:12:5:5. We found this by making denominator equal here. Now let us find out sacrificing ratio. Here formula is old share minus new share. So X sacrifice, X old share was 2/6 minus his new share is 8/30, which we just calculated. Then if we solve it, we will get 2/30. Similarly, for Y also, Y sacrifice is equal to 3/6 minus his new share 12/30 equals to, if we solve it, we will get 3/30. In this way, sacrificing ratio is 2:3. Now let us do question number 15. X, Y, and Z are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. They admitted W as a new partner. Their new profit loss sharing ratio is to be 4:3:2:3. Now here in this question, we only have to calculate sacrificing ratio, as new profit and loss sharing ratio is given in this question. So we don't need to find it out. So here old ratio of old partner is given, that is 3:2:1. Then new ratio of partners is given, that is 4:3:2:3. So by applying the formula of sacrifice, we will find sacrifice ratio of old partner. So here is the formula. Sacrifice is equal to old share minus new share. So here old share of X is 3/6 as it is given in question. Here it is, X ratio is 3 and 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. So here we will get 3/6 minus his new share is 4/12 according to this ratio, 4/12, that is 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3, 12. So if we solve it by taking LCM, we will get 6 minus 4 in numerator, that is 2/12. Similarly, we will find out Y's sacrifice. Here Y's old share was 2/6 minus his new share is 3/12. So if we solve it, we will get 1/12. Now let's calculate Z's sacrifice. His old share was 1/6 minus his new share is 2/12. If we solve it by taking LCM, 12 here, 2 minus 2, that is 0. So here Z is not sacrificing anything. Here only X and Y are sacrificing. So here sacrificing ratio of X and Y is 2:1. Therefore sacrifice ratio of X and Y is equals to 2:1. So here we are done with short sums. I hope you would have understood this. Here I have tried to cover up most of the questions. Remaining questions you have to do on your own for your practice. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.